Hello, and today we are making this Minecraft video. Today I am going to teach you how to build this cool house in Minecraft. Okay, so I spawned in. Going in creative. Creative is how you can access many different blocks, like all the blocks in the game.
Hold on, please turn them off.
And I'm going to be making the house over here, near this village. Villages are very good for people who are doing it in survival mode because they will need tools to win the game. But we're not doing that. We're going to be building a cool house. So here I'm going to make my house with wood and some stone bricks, some fences, some slabs, and some quartz blocks. Okay, I'm gonna move all the poppies out of the way. I'm gonna put right there, that's where it's gonna. Oh, and I forgot the most important, two important things. Glass and some oak logs. So here I'm gonna put, this is where the first pillar is gonna be. Right here. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, that's a lot of blocks. 7 blocks tall. I'm gonna line it up right here. Right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here. Facing there. Let me see. It's the right measurement. So here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want 1 block. So right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got those blocks in. And now I'm gonna clear a bit of space. And in creative mode, I can break any block. Even the strongest blocks in the game. So I can show you the front, how it's gonna look. Right here, like this is gonna be fine. Like that. Maybe it should be 1 block higher. And boop. Beep. Bap. What to? So there, and there. And here I'm going to put a laid out footing right here. I'm just going to move out the poppies. Like this. Grabbing some doors. this door. And I'm gonna line it up. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 here. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5. Right there. I'm gonna put a door right there. And I'm gonna put a little space out. Like this. Like that. Getting it all out. Hey, sheep. He's dancing. So I'm gonna move this here. Like that. Yeah, so like that. I'm gonna get some stairs. One, two, 2, 3, 4. Putting one of this here, bring this fence around, and there. This is a bit different. This is a bit wider. Okay, I can make it a little bit better. Oops. There. So now I'm move this in like this. All the way up. And I'm gonna put a slab here for the roof later. Oops. Sometimes it does that. So there. I'm gonna leave that there when I get to main parts. Oops, I broke the door. Silly me. Like that into my inventory. And now I'm gonna put some. Oh, I broke more and more. Okay, so like this, some glass here, and some glass here. Like that. And here's a little fun part I'm gonna make. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's a good number. How about I get this down to 3? Pick that up and there. Okay, so here I put some more stuff that looks some more of interior and it looks a bit cooler. It's right here. Oops, here. Wrong thing. And now I'm gonna put some more leaves. Put leaves, and you're gonna be guessing what I'm making. Nope. Like that. Like that. Like plants on the outside. Like this. We're gonna need a cauldron later, so now we're gonna go move on to the inside, which I'm making. here, and here. I'm gonna move all the poppies out of the way. And get this all in. When I get this, I'm gonna destroy all the poppies that are in here so I can move it through. Here, here, here. Oh, it's nighttime. I can change that. 1 second. Time, set, day. But so here I'm gonna be filling in the planks here. I'm gonna put some quartz blocks here in this pattern like this. It may be have to be bigger, so I'm just gonna do this. Like this. And now I'm gonna put like stone here around it, so it's like a kind of like it looks like a cooking place, doesn't it? And here I'm gonna add some color to the walls. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, and we're gonna put a little bit of protection on this, kind of like this, so it's a bit protected, you know, like this. Okay, so I'm putting this whole wall big here, and I'm going to use some of this stone for the roof and make an attic.
Okay, 5 more minutes.
Okay.
Can you make it in 5 minutes?
Yes. So here, I'm going to go a bit faster. It's, okay, it's the chest in the top right, and what you're thinking, what is it? It's, you can unlock something new inside when you craft something. So I'm just trying to build this, and I'm gonna work hard and try my best, but I don't think we can build an attic. But so here, all the way up. So next video, we are gonna build a attic. Build the attic. So you better watch the next video to see the new attic, and make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell. And we are trying to get to 100 likes. 100 likes for this video, and
100 subscribers.
And 100 subscribers for our channel, and I hope you see our next video and watch how cool the attic's gonna look, and you're gonna love it. I promise. So right now I'm gonna put in what I want right now. So here, this is where all the building materials have been used, but I am going to do this. So I'm gonna put up a smoker, like this, and put it right here. it will cook food a lot faster than regular furnaces. And here I'll put the crafting table. And I'll put, for another thing in the kitchen, I'm going to put this here. And I'm going to put it upstairs. So here I am going to, I already have stairs. Here, 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 and put that in. And then it's going to be higher there. So that. And yep. The stairs are gonna come up to the attic, and I'm gonna use these slabs I got earlier to do this. So here, they're actually half step of one block like this one. An oak slab can make one brick, one big brick. So I'm gonna put it like that, connecting. It's gonna go up to the attic. And in the next video, you're gonna see how the attic's gonna look, and this is gonna how it's gonna get. We're gonna make it get up there. So that's how it's gonna be like that. And if you need like storage is gonna be like right beside the crafting table. And I'll put some light here. And how about I'll put some lanterns. Like this and this. And so you're wondering what's gonna be here. It's gonna be the kitchen. So here, I'll put that here. And I put the stone like this. So I'll put it up like this. And I'll put a door. And I'm gonna put a door right like this one, birch, to block the smoke from coming out. So it's gonna be here, and it's gonna be like a squeeze and opening to get in it. Yeah, but I don't want that to feel weird, so I'm just gonna like move this a little bit out so you can, more space out. Like this, and then here I'll actually just put this here because I don't want you to fall and hurt yourself. So when you come up, I'll do this like a step higher so you won't fall, because this will be where you can. So I'm still working on the kitchen, and I'm gonna put like some shelves here, and then a backyard. And then upstairs, there's going to be like an attic up here. And so, thank you guys for joining us for this video. And see you guys next time. Bye!